In this video, I will walk you through step by step on how to buy goods from multiple suppliers on 1688 Chinese shopping app without using agents. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yahoo. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Starbucks or Pinduoduo or Fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started.
So welcome back, friends. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you add all the item to cart on 1688. If you don't know how to add an item to cart, consider to check the video on my channel step by step on how to add an item to cart. I have made the video in the previous tutorial. After you have successfully add the item to cart on 1688, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to visit your cart. Having opened up your cart, all the item you have added into your cart is going to be found right here. So next thing you want to do is to make sure you select all the item and make payment and make a purchase straight up to all the supplier. So for you to do that, you have to click on here to select all the items. So having selected all the items, so you can see it right here, and the next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So right here, I'm paying the sum of 95.39 yuan to purchase all these items. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. And I click on here to continue with the payment. And I click on here to confirm my payment and enter my payment password. It's as simple as that. So we are able to purchase from different 6 suppliers on 1688. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back to my profile. For me to access my profile, I need to click on here. By the time I refresh my profile, all the item I just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So here we go. So these are all the items we just purchased from different suppliers, step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big thumb up. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe for importation business tutorial like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.